Oh my god, a V6 F-Type convertible. Yes. Alright guys, in Beverly Hills, Sunday morning, 2:38 p.m. and we got a man practicing juggling in front of someone's house. It kind of makes you wonder because there's an entire park right over here, but he decided to juggle in front of someone else's house. That's definitely not his all. He just dropped all his pins. Oh. Can you imagine like being in front of like, you're like chilling in your house and you see a man just practicing juggling his pins? Kind of weird. I don't know. Well, there's a V6 F-Type and a cool looking Porsche. Taking a photo with a doll over there. Nice. Yeah, check out this crazy color, Fistral Blue on the 720S. Actually looking pretty sharp in the brand new O'Gara McLaren dealership now. Of course, you got this James Hunt's F1 car. Fun fact for you guys, the Maserati dealership is still co-owned or owned by Auto Gallery. So you got two competing companies in one building. McLaren Jelly Bellies. I like this whole display here. And get free coffee and water. H2G? Oh, I see what they did. So instead of H2O, they do O and G for O'Gara. Clever. I like that, guys. I like that. Not only do they have the customized paper cups, but they got McLaren napkins. Yes. All right, guys. We're currently here in Newport Beach, the dreaded OC. Of course, we're here with the V6 F-Type SVR. That's correct, guys. The world's only V6 F-Type. Gassing up the car. We got a big bang meet tonight. Looking sharp. Decided to take the SVR out for a little spin. So, that being said, we're doing a quick gas vlog. Like I said in the previous video, are you kidding me? Yep, there you guys have it. One of the biggest issues with the car is that the pump never locks in, as you just saw. So, that being said, F-boy me, here we go. All right, guys, welcome back. Sorry for the hiatus. Welcome to 2018. We got a Stradman Mobile and a Fuckboy Me. All the cars are lining up, pulling into that parking lot right over there. It is currently 10:34, so we're pretty early. Let's see what happens. Dude, we're off to a great start here. Fantastic. Now, the question is, do I go left or do I go right? I don't know. I'm just gonna go, let's go this way. There's a dude hanging out the Mini Cooper right there. Yes. All right, guys, we're currently here a little early. There's a burnout right over there. You can see the mass migration of fuckboys from location 1. Oh! Yeah. And there you guys have it, ladies and gentlemen. There's a Mustang with its lights off. You should probably turn the lights on, honestly. Oh, whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Too close for comfort. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2018. Now we're rolling. Yes. Woo! That's it? All right. Yes. We got the mall cops over there. There's one police car over there. I think they're just dispersing the crowd, so. Dude, they're doing a photo shoot with this mall security cop. Yes! Oh, no, they're bouncing. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's lame. That's pretty funny. Do a burnout, cop. Do a burnout. Nope, nothing. They're just like shutting down the whole place now. Oh. Nope. Bye. Oh. Oh no. More. Check out this Camaro, guys. I'm gonna zoom in on it. What? That's quite honestly the oddest looking Camaro I've ever seen. But respect to him. Okay, yeah. Well, apparently on Waze there is a pretty bad crash up ahead. I see some hazards right over there. Oh shit. Jesus. There's like debris all over the, oh damn. Yup, that's not good, guys. What has transpired here? Oh, we got a sort of a donk going on here. Oh shit, there's a ton of cops. Ooh, that's not good. Spot is over with. I think we're gonna head home after this one. I don't know why people are running, but no cops here, so. Someone had the genius idea of coming to this spot and we're all gridlocked in, so I haven't moved in like 5 minutes. Someone's just done a burnout. Yep, there it is. Right on schedule. Oh look, there's a lowrider right there, look. It's lifted up. Yes! We got lowriders here tonight. Not even joking, 2 cruisers just rolled up here, bam. We're just driving around aimlessly until they post the next spot, but enjoy this big wing in front of us, yes. It's like clockwork, they come out of the woodworks, baby. Oh, uh-oh. That guy's a naughty boy right there. Got the world's most polite cop over there asking everyone to leave slowly, politely, quietly, and to have a good night.
You guys are meeting at Warner PH by Jack in the Box. Have a good night.
What did you say?
Go Jack in the Box.
Jack in the Box. This guy's got a drift RC car. What? You can sort of see it. Everyone's getting all riled up. The cop suggested that we all hang out at the Jack in the Box, so There's a cop right behind there. This is like the fourth location. Have extremely bad luck, so I'm gonna probably call it a night. Not much has really happened. They've been following the pages pretty closely. So that being said, that is the end of today's vlog. Jeez, worst luck ever.